Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to clean up your throttle body. Before starting, remember to subscribe to my channel. For this work you need a air system cleaner and you need to know where is your throttle body on your car. Now you have to start the engine and spray the product inside your throttle body, and at the same time you have to accelerate. If you have a lot of incrustation inside your throttle body, you have to remove it and clean up separately. Okay, now works fine. Remember to subscribe to my channel. See you next time with another video. Bye!